Today on Let's Talk Drinks, I'm going to show you how to make the blood and sand. Hey guys, so I'm going to make a blood and sand for you, and to be honest with you, I think I tried one maybe 15, 20 years ago and I can't remember what it tastes like. However, it's a very well-known classic cocktail, and it's also said to be the whiskey cocktail the whiskey haters will like. 4 simple, easy ingredients. I love it when they're just really simple, equal parts. And the first thing that we're going to start with is 22.5 mils or 3/4 ounce of a single malt. I'm using the Krabbies. Then 22.5 mils or 3/4 ounce of a cherry brandy. I'm using the cherry hearing. Same again, 22.5 or 3/4 ounce of a sweet vermouth. Using the Dolan Rouge. And last but not least is 22.5 mils or 3/4 ounce of orange juice. Use freshly squeezed orange juice. It really is so much better for this cocktail and just in general. All right, I'm going to add some ice. Give it a really good shake. Okay. Then going to double strain into a chilled cocktail glass. And for my garnish, I'm just going to do a really simple orange twist. That's the blood and sand. First time in probably 20 years that I get to try it again. Oh, it smells really good with that orange, those oils from the orange peel. Why haven't I been drinking these for a while? I thought that the cherry brandy would actually overpower the cocktail, but it's a very well balanced cocktail. It's been around since 1922. It was named after the bullfighting movie by Rudolph Valentino called Blood and Sand, and I really enjoy that. Not a massive fan of orange juice in cocktails, but this is something that I will definitely have a few more of. I would give it a go. You know, what I normally say is when there's classic cocktails that have been around for 100 years, and this will turn 100 next year, it's for a reason. So don't be scared. Even when you look at the ingredients, when I looked at it, I thought, oh, I'm not really sure if I'm going to enjoy it. I was totally wrong. Guys, please like, subscribe. We're still trying to get those 1,000 subscribers, and we just hit 50,000 views, which for me, that's huge. So thank you so much to all of our viewers, all our fans from all over the world, and we'll see you again soon.